In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an email on Framer. If you're looking to enhance your website with an easy email link, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, head over to Framer. It's a fantastic platform that allows you to create professional websites without having to write any code. Once you're on the Framer homepage, you'll want to look for the Login button. This is your gateway to access all of the projects you're working on or planning to start. Click on that Login button to proceed. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Framer home. From here, you can see your projects and create new ones. Navigate to the home page and have a look at your list of available projects. The next step is to select the project you want to work on. Clicking on a project opens it up for editing. This is where the magic happens. Once you have your project open, you'll want to find the text element. Text elements are versatile and can be used to format your email link any way you like. Click on this text element to begin crafting your link. The next thing you need to do is place the text element where you want your email link to appear. This could be in a header, footer, or anywhere else on your page where you think it would be most useful. Position it thoughtfully to make sure it's easy for your visitors to find and use. Now, let's get into setting up the actual email link. In the text element, simply type the text you want to display, like "Contact us" or your email address. Highlight this text and then look for the option to insert a link. You'll typically find this in the text editing tools that appear once you select the text. The key here is to use what's called a mail to link. Instead of linking to a web page URL, you'll begin with mail to, followed by your email address. So it would look something like this: mail to your email at example.com. This special link tells the browser to open an email client with your email address pre-filled as the recipient. Once you've set up the link, make sure to test it. Click on the link within your project to see if it opens up a new email draft in your default mail application. Testing is crucial to ensure the link works correctly and doesn't lead users to an error page or fail to open. And there you have it. By following these steps, your viewers can now easily email you directly from your Framer project, enhancing connectivity and interaction. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on how to link to an email in Framer. Happy designing, and I'll see you next time.